Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the microphone on an Alcatel 1B 2020 phone. We start by making sure the phone is turned off. If your phone is on, you need to turn it off. Only after it is completely turned off can you clean it, otherwise you could damage it. So first you have to turn it off and only then proceed to cleaning. Next, we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, because otherwise if they are hard, they will scratch your phone. You need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol in a diffuser or in a small container like this. You can buy such things in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush, which just needs to have soft or medium hard bristles. And it should work. Once the phone is turned off, we spray the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it is wet. We take the phone in our hand. The microphone is here. The opening, we need to clean one opening, which means we perform 10 to 15 brush strokes in one direction. After those 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, we perform the same 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 15 strokes in the other direction. Just do a few strokes in one direction, because if you were to go back and forth, 1, 2 like that, 1, 1, 1, you would just be moving the dirt around instead of removing it from the hole. Then about 10 to 15 strokes towards the screen to clean the microphone well, and then 10 to 15 strokes towards the flap to perfectly clean the microphone so that it works like new. Alright, if the microphone is very dirty, you can repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction, meaning about 20 to 30 strokes in each direction, just to ensure the microphone opening is perfectly cleaned. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then the phone is ready for use. We can turn it on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.